chicken. Chicken's a popular word, but anywhere you go, you're bound to find a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Some people call it a fowl. That's the story I've heard. But let 'em call it this and let 'em call it that. A chicken ain't nothing but a bird. You can boil it, roast it, broil it, put it in a pan or pot, brown it, eat it with potatoes, rice or tomatoes. Chicken is still what you've got. Boy, it was a dish for old Caesar, also King Henry III. But Columbus was hip, he said, take this tip, a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Boil it, roast it, broil it, put it in a pan or pot, brown it, eat it with potatoes, rice or tomatoes. Chicken is still what you've got. Boy, it was a dish for old Caesar, also King Henry III. But Columbus was hip, he said, take this tip, a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. A chicken ain't nothing but a bird.